Welcome back, this is Thursday Night Racing, this is the 2020 Hot Rods Club Championship. Let's get into it. And back on the track is Toon Tracks Racing from Thailand. That's right, folks, he's driving the T-Bucket. He had a sensational win against Po Boy Racing in the Way Too Fast. Will Toon Tracks Racing and the T-Bucket do the double tonight? Stay tuned. Going up against Toon Track Racing is Metal Mania 3D and the Diecast Workshop, all the way from Tasmania, Australia. They're driving the Zuru Metal Machine Buffalo. This car is fast, it is mean, and it is ready and right to take on Mount Western Raceway.
Race 1. Racing in the T-Bucket. Oh, a nice little kiss there from the Buffalo.
Toon Tracks Racing gets his first win here. You better watch out, that Buffalo is very fast and it's after the Cup tonight.
Race 2. Winner! Metal Mania 3D and the mighty Buffalo. Good on you, mate.
Some serious racing here tonight. Metal Mania 3D with his first win right here on Mount Western Raceway.
Race 3. Toon Tracks Racing in the T-Bucket. All the Buffalo's not happy.
That's right, MC. I can feel some tension here. The drivers are having a go at each other. I'm not sure what's happened on that last race.
Race 4. Metal Mania 3D in the Buffalo. Oh, Toon Tracks is over. Can we get a medic and the tow truck, please?
We're on to it, MC. Metal Mania 3D driving the Buffalo squares everything up out of race 4.
Race 5. Metal Mania 3D and that mighty Buffalo. Oh, here comes Toon Tracks Racing.
Wow, another sensational upset tonight by Metal Mania 3D and that Buffalo. Congratulations. Toon Tracks Racing, we will see you again on Mount Western Raceway in another hot rod very soon. Here's your top 8. Metal Mania 3D and the Diecast Workshop get their first win right here on the 2020 Hot Rods. Let's wrap it up. Let's recap tonight's racing. I know the Buffalo is fast, but Toon Tracks driving that T-Bucket is very fast and is very suited to Mount Western Raceway, and he proves it here right in the first race. Beautiful line coming out of turn 2. He's got the power to cross the line and get his first win. And the Buffalo's not far behind him. Heading into race 2, this was always Metal Mania 3D and the Buffalo's race. Look how low he is in turn 1. That sets him up perfectly for Mount Western Straight. The T-Bucket's right behind him, but he just hasn't got the pace to catch him. Here comes a Buffalo, floors it, crosses the line, and gets his first win right here in the Hot Rods. These two cars and these two drivers are well suited for Mount Western Raceway. Look at the T-Bucket, look at this line. Just slides down Mount Western Straight. He's got the pace, goes up high, decides, no, I'm going to go down low, and floors it. The T-Bucket almost went over. Toon Tracks Racing crosses the line for his second win. The Buffalo from Tassie is not happy after that race. This is race 4. The T-Bucket has left the Buffalo behind. This race is all over for the Buffalo. But as Toon Tracks driving, he knows this track, he just knows what to do. Although here comes the Buffalo with his late charge. I don't know what happened here. The T-Bucket had this all sewn up. He hits the wall and the Buffalo sees the opportunity and crosses the line and squares everything up out of race 4. Exciting stuff. This is race 5 and the Buffalo, he goes out hard. He realises that he needs to win this, otherwise Toon Tracks is just going to wipe him out. Here comes the Buffalo, he floors it, look at him go. He's got a beautiful line into turn 2, slides out of turn 2, the T-Bucket's nowhere to be seen, and he crosses the line and he gets his first win right here on Mount Western Raceway in the 2020 Club Championship. I love that little slide by Toon Tracks Racing in that T-Bucket. Thank you, Toon Tracks. We'll catch you on the track very soon. Well, here he is. Here's your new club champion, Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. Give him a round of applause, everyone. Congratulations. Coming up next Monday night, we have Mike Dyson in the 55 Bel Air Gasser. He's driving on behalf of NZ Racing right out of Kiwiland. Stay tuned, folks. 5 p.m. Monday night, right here on Hot Car Track at Mount Western Raceway. Catch you later.